A QwikChange machinable faceplate is ideal for those parts which are not easily clamped. This solid piece of high-strength aluminum converts a once-clamping system into a QwikChange dedicated fixture plate in seconds, providing the perfect canvas for you to design your own work-holding solution. When your job is done, simply turn the handle, remove the faceplate, and prepare the system for your next adventure. The next time you have to run the dedicated fixture job, you can simply install the faceplate and go. The round and diamond locating hubs on the faceplate locate within tenths to the locating bushings of the base, therefore saving time by eliminating the need to indicate repeat setups. Each locating bushing also has an ejector bushing which protects the round and diamond locating hubs, thus easing fixture changeovers and increasing the longevity and accuracy of your setup. Because of the accuracy and ease of faceplate changeovers, some of our customers have chosen to use them as a mini pallet changer for numerous small parts. They have one faceplate on the bench for part change, while the other is in the machine. If you are currently using a faceplate, simply unclamp the faceplate, remove it, and replace it with another faceplate. If you are currently using jaws, use the screwdriver and T-wrench provided to remove the fixed jaw and snap off the movable jaw or jaws. Remove the cover plate. The cover plate and locating bushing plugs are unnecessary with a faceplate setup. Make sure to store them for later use. Position the slide assembly such that the back of the rear slide assembly tower aligns with the front of the rear locating bushing. Using the T-wrench, tighten the third hand screw. Align the towers of the slide assembly with the pockets on the underside of the faceplate and the round and diamond hubs with the locating bushings. Place the faceplate on the towers. It will not sit flush with the system until you turn the swivel handle clockwise and clamp the faceplate down to the system. Now you are ready to machine your faceplate. The finger grooves on the side provide a general idea of the no-cut zone. For detailed dimensions, refer to the product information packet or CAD model. Please keep in mind the faceplate is being clamped down to the system. The more material you machine away from the faceplate, the thinner the clamping surface is. Should you need additional clamping surface, these faceplates are also available in high, wide, and oversize. For more information, call us at 724-772-1644 and visit QwikWorkholding.com.